about all that junk mail you receive in the mail each week? It's not only annoying, but it also affects our environment in a negative way. EcoCycle states that more than 100 billion pieces of junk mail are delivered in the U.S. each year, which equals to 848 pieces per household. The production, distribution, and disposal of all that junk mail creates over 51 million metric tons of greenhouse gases annually. That is equivalent of emissions from 9.3 million cars. Today we're going to look at how increasing recycling has a positive impact on the environment. We'll look at reasons why people don't recycle. We'll discuss reasons to recycle and ways in which we can recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. We've heard the term before. Most of us use glass, plastic, and paper products. We are all responsible to what goes on in the environment, and it's up to you and I to decide whether or not we make a difference. There are some reasons why one should not recycle. Care2.com gives 5 reasons why someone would not recycle. One reason is it's inconvenient. You need to separate glass, paper, and plastic from other trash that you have. Doing so takes energy. Recycling can also take up space. You need to leave room for different trash cans, and some people just do not want to see all that trash. It can become an eyesore. People are misled and informed about how recycling affects the environment. Some people aren't aware that recycling can prevent pollution from landfill and their gases. And also, people are misled when it comes to recycling and how it can save energy and money. Those are some reasons why people would not recycle. Let's look at some reasons why we should recycle. Recycling prevents pollution. Eurocycle explains, recycling and manufacturing are 194 times more effective in reducing greenhouse gas. Eurocycle also states that using recycled cans instead of extracting ore for aluminum products are 95% less air pollution and 97% less water pollution. According to the EPA, recycling cuts global warming pollution by the equivalent of removing 39.6 million cars from the road. Also, recycling saves energy. Recycled material instead of raw material is much more efficient. EcoCycle states that recycled paper uses 60 to 70% less energy and 55% less water. This is important because paper takes up about 52% of recycled materials recovered. By recycling just 30% of our waste every year, we can save an equivalent of 11.9 billion of gallons of gas. By doing so, it takes 25 million cars off the road. Recycling also creates jobs. Recycling-based processing and manufacturing creates more jobs than landfills. EcoFacts from EcoCycle states for every 1 job in a landfill, there are 10 jobs in a recycling processing plant. And for every 1 job in a landfill, there are 25 jobs in a recycling-based manufacturing plant. With these new job opportunities, maybe our unemployment rate, which is at 7.6 according to Trading Economics, can get even lower. Now that we know what a positive impact recycling makes, let's look at some things that you can do to reduce, reuse, and recycle. How do we recycle? U.S. Environmental Agency gives information about common recyclables. We use paper products every day, and according to the EPA, in 2011, recycling rate of paper is up to 66%. With just our help, we can raise this rate. Plastics can be found in cans, lids, bottles, and milk cartons. They can be separated and put on the curbside for pickup. And glasses can be recycled over and over again. It costs less to make glass from recycled glass because it heats at a lower temperature using less energy. We should also reuse. We can reuse by donating, And the saying, "One's trash is another man's treasure," is totally true. You can visit any Goodwill store, or you can go to 17 drop-off locations for recyclables that cannot be donated. I encourage you to think about how you can affect the environment. Do you recycle? Through recycling, we can make a difference. I hope you've learned today how recycling and how you can recycle and how we can encourage you to continue to recycle. We looked at the reasons why people don't recycle and why we should recycle and ways in which we are able to do so. In closing, if you're interested in learning more about recycling and how you can help the environment, LouisvilleKY.gov has many good resources. Change needs to start somewhere. Why not start simply by separating our paper, plastic, and glass in order to make a positive mark on the environment?